Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Andika Juliandra, NIM 005. Death and dying custom. Death is cultural as well as biological event. It is important for you to be aware of the cultural and religious links and custom of your dying patient and their families. The guidelines will help you to respond in an appropriate way in order to prevent aqua cultural our service. Islam. When a Muslim dies in hospital, the family might experience a great deal of anxiety if they feel that health care staff are unfamiliar with Muslim tradition. Firstly, it is important to put on some gloves so that you do not touch the body directly. The phase of the response to has dead soul better toward mark straighten the arms and legs and close the mouth and eyes. After that, the body is washed by family members of the same side and I wrapped in with linen cloth. According to Islamic tradition, a dead person should be buried as soon as possible, preferably with 2 to 4 hours. A Muslim is always buried, never cremated. Post-mortem examination are discouraged unless they are required by law. Buddhism. According to Buddhist beliefs in that the consciousness depends from on life and begins the journey into untainted new life. For Buddhists, that is a process in which the consciousness gradually separates from the body. This can take up to 10 days, which is when death occurs. It is very important to provide as much space and equate for the dying person as possible. The more composed and calm the meat is at death, the greater the opportunity for a better birth immediately following sick of physical death. Buddhists believing that it best to keep the body in peaceful state. Traditionally, the body is taken to the home and for a period of the days or so placed aside and the body is not touched. The chest may be cremated or buried, depending on the wish of the family. Generally speaking, post-mortem are acceptable as the body is considered less important after death. Judaism. By religious law, someone should stay with the dying person so that the soul does not feel alone. The body should also not be left alone after death. It is important to leave in place my catheters, drain, and tubes, as the fluid in it is considered to be part of the body and must be breathed with it. Cover them with gauze or bend annual drains. The have body fluid on them must also be bleed on the body. Any incision of tooth must be covered. The body is prepared for burial as soon as possible after death, preferably within 24 hours. The body is prepared by members of the Jeffira Codicia of Burial Society, and the body is covered with a death. Postmortem examinations are discreet unless they are equality by law. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.